Mark Brownie. Welcome to Microsoft Word Basic Lesson 3. In Lesson 2, we actually look at how we can actually center paragraph, center word, justify, and all of that. So in Lesson 3, what you're going to be looking at, how we can add a cover page to our document, or to add a blank page also, because there's more one way you can actually add a blank page, insert tables, there are different types of tables. We're going to be looking at spelling and grammar, where we can actually find that, or we're going to use it. Count words. So for instance, I get an essay to write. No more than 250 words. Now I'm going to show you exactly where you can actually find the count words right there. Translate language. Right? So for instance, you can translate the whole entire document to a different language, or translate the little section. Right? If you notice header and footer right here. So this is exactly what we're going to be actually looking at. So very important here. So I first want to bring up our Microsoft Word. Right here, if you notice, this is for Microsoft Word right here. Well, let me just enter some paragraph in it so that it can actually look official as soon as we actually get into the meat of the matter. All right, very important. Right here, you stick to the end of this video. You're quite frightened. This is what you actually learn, because a lot of persons tend to have problem when you come onto these small area here. Right, so cover page. You're going to come right up here. Notice, you see this tab. So I'm going to focus on the insert tab. Now, when you click on the insert tab right here, notice to your left, you notice the cover page. But if you click directly on cover page, you will get just a cover page. But if you want to choose a cover page by yourself, you just come right at this little pointer here and click. Now, when you click on the little pointer, right, you notice you're going to bring down a host right here. You notice? So right here, show that you can remove current cover page. You can actually get more. All right, so these are some more. But if you notice right here, you have a scroll bar, you can scroll down, right? And these are the different ones you can scroll. So I'm going to choose this one, right? So notice I choose it to show that I can write my name right here. So right here, show that I can actually put the date right inside here, just the same. So if I click on this right here, notice date, right here, so I can actually put anything that I want right there. And when I scroll up, you notice the documents down here now. Right, so the next thing what we want to be looking at now, we want to add a blank page. All right, so we're going to add a blank page now. Now, to where you can add a blank page. You can, all right, you can come right down here. You can put the cursor right here. When you press the enter key, continue to press it. You notice it add a blank page. All right, but I want to add a different blank page now. But I'm going to add a blank page now. I'm going to click the cursor right up here. Right, and then I'm going to come to right up here, the insert. And as you come across right here, it's a blank page. If I click it, if you notice, all right, let me scroll up again and show you. Right, you notice it right after the cover page, right here, it's because where I put the cursor. Right, so if I want a one and at the bottom, I can do the same thing. So there are two ways you can actually insert the blank page right there. Very important. So for the next instruction, insert table. So I want to insert a table in the document. All right, so let me bring down some more that we can insert a table. All right, so I'm going to click right here now. Let's show the cursor right here. So I'm going to click on insert. Notice when you click on insert, this is service table. If you just click on it like that, it give you this. But when I click on the pointer, it give you what you want. All right, you notice as soon as I come like this, so pay attention to over here. Notice it's actually creating a table for me alone. For me, yes. And if I come right here, so I can actually insert. You notice right here, bring up this little box. Look at the dialog box right here. You notice I can actually move it, put it where I want it. You can put it right here. Now right here, give you option that I can actually select, right? So if I come like this and I close it, notice this, that's exactly where it is. So if I want to do a next one again, I click here, insert. You notice if I come right here, so I can come like this one now. All right? You notice? All right, let me put it at an angle which that it don't. All right, where the next one is. All right. All right, good. So I'm going to click on insert. Right. So notice that come right here. If you give me the same amount, I can actually decide which what amount I want. All right. And there you go. Right. And I also can do it another way now. If I come back to insert and I click, and click right here. Notice I try this one, is insert, I can actually draw. If I click on draw, you notice it give me the pencil, and I come like this, just the same. Alright, I can take a time, do the same thing. Alright, when you find it, do this and this happen, just simply come right up here, and just undo it just like that. Go back again, go along left side of the mouse, you notice? You can actually select, let me go back, so this one you have to take your time. So if you notice, sure, alright, let me do it just that way, good. You can actually that way, you can actually come like this, and just like that. So there you go, you can actually insert table. But if you notice the pencil right here, you can just double click right here, and actually move the pencil. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to be looking at right here is spell and grammar. Right? So look at the spell and grammar. Let me bring up the words, because that's where we're going to actually focus on. So this is for the word. So you can press F7 on your keyboard to find that, right? But otherwise, what you can do, you can come right here, review, and click on review. You notice this is spelling and grammar. Right? On your keyboard, you can press the F7. Right? So we're going to click right here. Notice when you click right here, notice right here, you are finished. Check your selection. Want to check the rest of the document? So I'm going to say yes. Right? If you notice it's a spelling and grammar check, complete, so it show me say you are good. So if I make a mistake in it, you say exactly what happened. Because a lot of time we type or we make mistake, we don't know until when we go to the spelling and grammar. Alright, so this is one of the stuff we can actually work with. So the next thing we want to be looking at is word count. Right? As you can see, you want to know the amount of words in this document. Let's come right down here to your left. You notice 341 words right here. But there's another way you can actually do it. When you come right here and click on review, you notice right here is the word count. Our count words, you click on that. Notice it show you how much pages you have. Right here. And definitely show you line, characters, and all that. So very important right there. Yes. It show you exactly what's going on right there. So next thing we want to look at that translate. So I want to translate a part of the document now. So what I want to do now, I want to translate these sections. So I'm going to block it. Good. So when I block it, what I want to do, come and click on review, just the same. Now when you click on review, if you notice it says translate right here, so if I click on the look pointer, because remember now, if you're going to do half of it, you have to click on the look pointer because you want to select. If you notice right here, translate, right here, select text, right, and minor translator. All right, so this is one we want to focus on. I just a small amount of text, so we're going to click on that. Now when you click on that, I want to focus right over here. All right, if you notice right over here, all right, if you notice right here so far, you see right here English to Spanish, so I'm going to come right here. I can actually put any language I wanted to put it. I can put it in Romanian, I can put it in Sweden, Turkish, any one of them. All right, so I want to put a language in Korea. So I'm going to click on Korea. Note when I click on Korea, change right here, but if you notice it don't change over here. All right, so in order for you to do that, right here, scroll bar, you're going to take a time and click up and carry it up so far. You notice it says insert right here. So you want to click on insert. You notice when you click on insert, you notice it show up right over here, Korean language, and you can come right here and click it. So if you're doing a course overseas, like in Korean or whatever, you can actually do it in English, and then you translate it just like this, right here in the document. Yes. And if you notice, definitely header and footer. That's what you're going to actually focus on. Right? So you're going to come right up here so to the insert tab, we're going to click. Now when you click on insert tab, we're going to come all the way here to header and footer. But if you notice, if I click on this, it's going to take me to a header. But if I click on the pointer, I can actually choose a different type of header I want. I can come like this. Or I can edit header right here if I want. Just the same. So I'm going to select this one right here. I'm going to put all about computer. All right, let me move this and select Inite itself. All right, all about computer. Right there. Here, I can actually put a date. Just the same note as soon as I click it. I can click at this little pointer right here to the 29. I can actually put that right there. Just like that. I can double click out here and close it. I can come right here. So close it and put and close it. Right, you notice it pale inside here. You know, you can't edit it. You have to go back. All right, the next thing, go and look at footer. Click on insert. And notice you're going to go back again and click on the footer. Now, when I click on the footer, it gives you the same option, just the same. All right, I'm going to click on this one. And if you notice right on the bottom right here, right, so I'm going to click, I'm going to say I'm created. All right, by Mark. Good, and I can come right up here. I can actually close it, right? So let me show you where in the document it is. If you notice right here, the show right here. And if I scroll up some more, look on the other piece of document, you notice this is right here. Right, very important. Alright, so hope you have learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. See you in lesson 4.